Hey Michael, my name is Christina. I'm just sending this video over that I told you I'd get you with some free tips on SEO and how to get you above your competition. So we're going to talk about three things today: content, citations, and backlinks. Those are the three things that you're going to need to be able to do. I'm not sure if this is your website. I messaged you, but I didn't get a response back. So this is what I found when I was doing some searches in the Denver area for J&J heating. If it's not you, it's still the same principles that are going to apply. But if this is you, when I'm looking at your first page, when it has to do with content, the average site needs about 1,000 to 1,500 words in order to be optimized with Google. This site currently has about 150, maybe 200 words. So that's the first recommendation that I'd say. When I searched HVAC Denver, the #1 competitors that are going to be organically ranked are here at summitheatingco.com. So I went ahead and clicked on their link. Content also is going to include pictures on the page. Here's a video, anything that you see here in the background. And if you look here, they have a little bit more content, but not a lot still. Still very easy to beat. So they're still sitting at less than that 1,000 words. So just by increasing your content to 1,000 to 1,500 words that's optimized and has keywords built into it, then that could be a way to beat them pretty easily. And if you notice here, when I type in HVAC Denver, this is the keyword that I'm talking about. It's anytime that somebody searches for your services. The volume here is over 1,000 people a month on average are searching for HVAC Denver. So that's 1,000 customers that you miss out on potentially by not being on the first page of Google. The second thing that we're going to talk about are citations. So this is the next visible section anytime you do a Google search. You're probably familiar. This is what we call the map pack. This is anytime that your business name, address, and phone number is going to be listed. Even if you don't see the address here, you know it's still put in there in the background, and sometimes people hide it on their Google My Business. So you want to make sure that you have a Google My Business and make sure that you get here ranked on the first page. You'll notice here that the #1 spot belongs to Altitude Comfort, and the Summit Heating, that is the #1 spot down here, is in the #3 spot. So the way that you get here in the map pack is by having citations. And what a citation is when you submit your information, that business name, address, and phone number, exactly the way you see it in your Google My Business, into a directory, like Yellow Pages, Yelp, CityStar, etc. So this cool tool that I'm going to show you, it's called whitespark.ca. And what this is it's a citation finder. And you can see how many citations people have. And you'll notice that the top 2 spots here are Altitude Comfort and Right Away. Altitude Comfort has 50 citations, meaning that they're listed in 50 different sites. And then Right Away has 25, so they're beating them by double. That's why they're in the #1 spot and Right Away's in the #2 spot. So you want to make sure that you get those citations. The other great thing about this tool, which this one does cost money, whitespark.ca, it's about $30 to $70 a month depending on which plan you pick, but it's really easy to pop your business in here and see what citations you can go after. And there's some more tools on here too. But I'm going to try to keep this video short. Definitely check it out if you're interested. You can click on your competitor and say, okay, am I listed here? Check. Am I listed here? Check. Am I listed here? Check. And just go down the list. And any ones that you're not listed in, you just click on it, it'll pop up on a new page, and then you can create an account and get listed. The last thing that we're going to talk about are backlinks, and we call this link juice. Basically, it works like site A points to site B. Site A is the link juice that gives site B more authority in Google's eyes. It's like a popularity contest. So generally speaking, the more link juice you have, the more popular you are, the higher up on a Google search that you're going to be. That being said, though, you want to make sure link juice is effective by having a relative site linking back to you. For example, a blog post specifically about maybe an air conditioner that, a certain kind of brand that you like to use, that is going to have more relevancy and bring you more power than a blog post about pizza, because you don't sling pizzas for a living. So you want to make sure that it has to do with HVAC specifically, because that's going to bring you more power. So another tool that I'm going to show you here, and again, if this isn't your website, then this is going to be for this one, but if it is, great, then I covered the same one, but again, the same concepts are going to apply. So I typed in this website, jjheatinginc.com, into Ahrefs. This is another tool, ahrefs.com. Costs about $100 to $120 a month, but it really breaks down what your page is doing. And you'll see here that it currently is not showing any backlinks. So this is why this website is not ranking. But when you come over here to the #1 spot of Summit Heating Co., you'll see that they have 361 different domains, which is different websites, with over 1.86 thousand backlinks that are pointing back to their page. So they're bringing in a lot of power. You'll see that they're ranking for over 2,000 keywords, and they have over 984 people coming to their website. And just to give you an idea of what that looks like. So here, Summit Air Conditioner, Summit Heating and AC, these are all keywords, HVAC Denver Co., showing that 200 people a month search for that. They had 25 people click on their website because they were in the second position. So 25 out of 200 clicked on them. Denver Heating and Air, you'll see 70. They had 23 people click on them. Okay, and these aren't even specific to their business. So just by getting these general keywords and getting ranked for them, you can see that they're bringing in, that's where these numbers came from, to show how much traffic they're getting in a month. So imagine what your business could do if you were getting over 1,000 people to click on your website a month. So in closing, we talked about 3 things: content, citations, and link juice. Make sure you get that 1,000 to 1,500 words on your home page with some of those keywords included. Make sure that you get listed in all those different directories to get those citations so that you can get ranked in the Google My Business side and the map pack. And then link juice, make sure you're getting relevant backlinks back to your page. If this is something that you feel like you don't have enough time for, or you're still confused, you can absolutely reach out to me. Again, my name is Christina. You can call me at 816-323-4100. I do have a business on the side called KC Phoenix SEO. And if that's something that you need help with, I would love to help you out. So just give me a call. Thanks for watching my video and let me know what you think.